friends, welcome to Sharon's Top Secret Recipes.
Hey,
Today
फिर से
I'm
बोलो.
making... It's okay, let it be. Today I'm going to make vegetable curry. I will show you all the vegetables. So you can see the mustard oil here. First of all, I will put, this is the black jeera, mongrel, this I'm using. I've cut up an onion, this also I will put in. I will let the onions fry. Friends, the onions are turned brown. Now I will put in the tomatoes. I will let the tomatoes fry along with the onions. Then I will put the masalas in. Friends, the tomatoes mashed up in the onions and in the oil. You can see. Now I will put some turmeric powder. Put some red chili powder. This is the jeera, garlic and black pepper paste. This also I will put it in. This is the masala water. I will put some dhania powder. Some Kashmiri mirch powder. And let the masalas fry. Friends, now I'm going to put in the vegetables. For the vegetables I'm using, this is the saag data, you can see, this I'm using. I'm using brinjal, potatoes and cauliflower. This is the vegetable which I am making. I hope you all will like it. This is the cauliflower which I fried and kept. Friends, now I will fry this vegetable along with the masala nicely. And last of all, I will put the water. Friends, now I will put some salt. I will let this fry. Friends, I fried up the vegetable, you can see, and the color also has come nice. Now I will put the water. This is the water I have put. Now I will let this curry, this vegetable curry cook. I hope you all will like it. This is ordinary vegetable curry, simple way. But it will be very tasty to eat. Now I will cover it up and let it cook. Friends, this vegetable curry is ready. I hope you all will like it. Thanks for watching my video.